Hello everyone. So today we will understand how to use aggregate formula in Excel. So first of all we'll understand what is the meaning of aggregate formula. Whenever we need to do sum, we need to find average or we need to find any maximum number, that time we will use aggregate formula. So some people ask me one question. We have already a formula for these types of question. Why we need these types of formula? So whenever we need to use aggregate formula, there is one condition. Let's imagine one condition that we have 1000 column row data. In this data there are some error in between column. So if we need to do sum, we ignoring this error. This is not possible by using sum formula. For that we will use aggregate formula. Let's understand by solving one question. We have price given in this column and in between there are error. We will use sum formula to do sum of these prices equal to sum. I need to select all the ranges of price and press enter. Whenever I press enter I will show one error because in between error, so sum formula cannot ignore this error. Now we will use aggregate formula to find sum equal to aggregate. Now I will select sum. Now I will select ignoring error values, comma. Now I will select all the prices range and now I will press enter. So we will get sum of these all prices ignoring all the error. So this is how we can use aggregate formula. Thank you so much for watching my videos.